this is awesome work. Tell me what it means, though. What does 14 times 15 mean? What are those different?
It means the length of both of these sides.
Okay, so you're telling me that this is 14 feet, right? I see that labeled. Very good labeling. I see 15 labeled. Okay, Chase, why don't you put yours down with us so that you can kind of look as we go. And you multiply them together, and you have given me this answer of 210. What does that mean? What does 210 mean?
It means those two together.
Okay. And
it's 210 feet.
Okay, and for this problem where we're tiling, and the key is trying to put tiles down in her bedroom, what does that 210 mean?
It means
that's how many
the
tiles
area.
for those two
Okay,
sides.
it's the area. If she was going to put down tile in the whole entire room, Trace, is that what you're telling me? If she was going to put tile down over the whole entire area, she would need how many tiles?
210.
But there was a problem. What does she not putting tile in?
The closet.
In the closet. So what do we need to do with the areas? We need to subtract. Okay, the first thing. Well, you're right, but what am I going to subtract?
We're going to subtract
3.
So we add
We're going to subtract
and 3 together. We add some
34,
3 from
18.
210.
Because you're throwing lots of numbers at me, and they're good numbers, but I don't know what they mean.
34 is the number
You're going to
of.
wait 1 second.
I think
Because
You're on the right track. Your subtraction is accurate because we do want to take out the area that we are not tiling. Okay, but we need.
6 is 18.
Okay, Chase, tell me why you did 3 times 6, which I'm assuming he got from up here. Chase, tell me why you did 3 times 6. Oh, so we need to find the area of the closets. Do y'all see why we're finding the area? Not perimeter, okay? Because we're not just putting tile around something. We're putting tile down. But actually, we're not putting tile in the closet. So why did he do 3 times 6 to get us 18 right here?
so. Then you know how many feet doesn't need to be tiled.
Good, Jasmine. This is the area that is not getting tile. So, Sydney, what are we going to do down here?
4 times 4 equals 16.
And why are we doing that?
So we're not tiling.
Because we're not tiling that. This is the area that is not getting tiled. So what do we need to do with these two?
Adam.
And what is that going to tell me? And I think you've done that somewhere.
How many tiles need to be
Taken out, Chase, to be taken out. Okay, did you do that anywhere? 16 plus 18? You want to do that really quick?
I did. It's
Okay,
34.
it's there. Okay, excellent. Sydney, you trust him, or you want to check his math? 6 plus 8. 14. Will you go move the mouse so we don't have a star split? Okay, what does that 34 mean?
34. That's how many feet that we don't need.
We don't. Okay, you told me that this 210 was the total. So what do we need to do with this? Is how much it is if we area the whole
We need
thing
to
or tile the whole
subtract
thing.
34 from that.
All right, tell me where you're at. The ladies are kind of, I think, where you're at now. What's up with you?
Oh, I'm trying to figure out why I did that.
That is a fantastic question. Why did you do that? What do you think? I know the number 15 you used earlier to find length times width. So why do you think you did 15? Where did that? Yeah, because you had a missing dimension. This told us that this was only 12 feet and that this dimension right here was 3 feet. So you added those to find a total width of this room. That's where that came from. Okay? Total width. Okay, so you're going back in your label.